Welcome. In this video I will show you how to record video on Redmi 17. There are several available video recording modes on this phone. They are all available within the pre-installed camera application. So let's open it, let's select video on the toolbar, and this is the default video mode. As you can see, we can only record in Full HD or HD quality and only with 30 FPS. We can enable a flashlight for the video. If we tap this down arrow icon, we'll be able to change the aspect ratio, enable or disable the teleprompter, and also go to settings to adjust the rest of the video settings like video encoder, display parameters, and auto frame rate. Now, we can also record video in Pro mode simply by tapping right here and changing the mode to the video. Now, this way we can adjust settings of the video separately, settings like shutter speed, like ISO, white balance, etc. And if we scroll to more modes, we can also select time-lapse to record high-speed videos. We can adjust the speed and duration of the video using this scroll wheel, and we can record a longer video, and eventually it will be after we record it, it will be sped up. So this is what the result looks like. Well, as you can see, it's a pretty simple time-lapse. And the last thing that we have that has video recording in it is the time-lapse. It's not the time-lapse, but it's the dual video, which lets us record on two cameras simultaneously. We can also change the positions and record from both cameras at once. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.